Asus is celebrating a massive milestone, its 30th anniversary. And to mark the occasion, the brand is going all out with a giveaway unlike any other, because the prize is none other than Nvidia's brand new RTX 5090 graphics card, the current flagship GPU in the gaming world, and not just any card, but one signed by Nvidia's very own CEO, Jensen Huang, making this giveaway not only about raw gaming power, but also about owning a piece of tech history, because the RTX 5090 is already one of the most talked about GPUs of all time thanks to its unmatched performance, groundbreaking 8X architecture, and extreme AI and ray tracing capabilities, delivering performance leaps that gamer, creators, and enthusiasts have been waiting for. But winning this card isn't just about filling out a form or hitting a like button. Instead, Asus is making this challenge more creative, more interactive, and more fun to the launch of its DreamCraft challenge, where participants are asked to design the graphics card of the future, which means instead of a simple entry, you actually get to unleash your creativity and imagine what the next era of GPU design could look like, whether it's drawn by hand, designed in Photoshop, rendered in Blender, or even created with the help of AI design tools. Asus wants to see your imagination brought to life. And the best part is you don't have to be a professional designer to participate, because this challenge is open to everyone, from gamers to creators, to casual fans who just love tech, making it one of the most inclusive and exciting contests the company has ever run. And once you've made your design, entering is simple. You just upload your creation to your social media profiles, preferably X, formerly Twitter, and make sure to include the hashtags #AsusGraphicsCard30th and #AsusDreamCraft in your caption. So Asus can track your submission. And while Asus suggests a 1080 by 1350 dimension for the artwork to make it visually polished, the format of your design is totally up to you. And to keep things fair and fun, each participant can submit up to 3 unique designs, giving you multiple chances to showcase your creativity and boost your odds of standing out. And once you've posted your masterpiece on social media, the next step is to head over to the official DreamCraft page on Asus website and submit a screenshot of your entry, which officially enters you into the contest. And here's where it gets really exciting. The deadline for all submissions is October 31st. So the clock is ticking for everyone who wants to participate. And once the entry window closes, Asus will carefully review the submissions before announcing the winner, who will walk away with not only the most powerful gaming GPU on the planet, but also one signed by Jensen Huang himself, which makes this giveaway more like a collector's dream than just another piece of hardware. And when you think about the significance of this, it's clear Asus isn't just celebrating its 30th anniversary with a party. It's giving back to a community that made it one of the most trusted and innovative brands in the world of gaming hardware, because over 3 decades, Asus has delivered everything from motherboards to laptops, monitors, and ROG gaming accessories. And now this DreamCraft challenge shows they're still committed to pushing boundaries and engaging directly with fans. And if you're a gamer, designer, or tech enthusiast, this is the perfect opportunity not just to potentially win the RTX 5090, but to also showcase your creative vision of the future of graphics. And let's not forget the importance of the RTX 5090 itself, a GPU that pushes 4K gaming to new levels, smashes through rendering workloads, and elevates AI-driven tasks in ways previous generations could never achieve. So having one for free, especially one with Nvidia's CEO's signature, is truly priceless. And while most of us would expect giveaways to be limited or boring, Asus has made this one feel like an event, one that taps into imagination, art, and technology all at once, which is why excitement is building across the global tech community, with thousands already preparing their designs and sharing their ideas, from futuristic cooling solutions to cyberpunk-inspired aesthetics, to concepts that look like they belong in a sci-fi movie. And the buzz around this giveaway is not only boosting Asus' anniversary campaign, but also creating a wave of fan engagement that's rare to see. So whether you're a hardcore gamer with years of experience, a student who loves doodling GPUs in your notebook, or even someone who just discovered the power of AI art tools, you have a shot at winning. Because this contest isn't about professional level perfection, but about imagination, originality, and vision. And that's what makes it such a refreshing and exciting opportunity. And remember the key details. The contest is live now. Entries close on October 31st. You can submit up to 3 designs. You must use the hashtags #AsusGraphicsCard30th and #AsusDreamCraft. And you must also register your entry on the official Asus DreamCraft page, and then wait for the results to see if you'll be crowned the lucky winner of the world's most powerful gaming GPU, signed by one of the most influential figures in tech, Jensen Huang. And when we look back at Asus' 30 years of innovation, this giveaway feels like a perfect reflection of its journey, blending technology, creativity, and community in a way that no one else is doing. So if you've ever dreamed of owning the ultimate graphics card, now is your chance to not only dream, but to craft that dream into a reality. And with that said, if you're as excited as I am about this incredible opportunity, stay tuned for updates, because this is one giveaway you don't want to miss, and you are watching TechVerse.